spritzing. Guys, let's go to the other side. We had to cross the street here. There's a little bit of a situation.
Daddy, do you think we can go back?
No, we gotta wait. They're gonna start spritzing now. Oh yeah, look at that. Dig away, diggy, 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 diggy. They got two of them. It's salam. We got paparazzi situation here.
Paparazzi.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're wearing our corona masks for the dust.
No, corona mask for the paparazzi.
Anti-dust masking.
No, Daddy.
Wow, we can see our building really well.
Daddy.
What about you? Are you on the list?
I don't know. Check the list.
Going.
See if you're finished.
Fisheye lens.
See if you're finished.
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Huh?
Yeah, I could really go for some Bulgarian.
With some Hungarian food.
These are my minions. These are my monkeys. Hey, it looks like they're taking a break. Maybe we should take a break also. I also want a break. It's like the break was just the men cleaning it.
Wait, what time is it? Wait, Daddy, what time is it?
Time?
What time is it?
17.